Watch this drawing and learn how to draw a Christmas tree. Merry Christmas!
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Wow!
Hello, Artie. How are you today?
Very well. How are you?
Thanks for asking. I'm well too.
Good. Yeah, good.
Are you excited for today's drawing?
Very, very excited.
We're going to be drawing one of your favourite things ever, Artie.
Yeah, okay.
We're going to draw a Christmas tree.
Yay! Happy.
Artie loves Christmas trees.
Good day, Artie!
Hey there, Artie!
Are you ready to create some art?
I can see you're excited to start, Artie. You're really keen to draw this Christmas tree. Should we begin?
I get so happy when Artie is about to start. Don't you, Mikey?
I sure do, Betty.
Let's draw a little pointy triangle towards the top of the page in the middle. From the bottom on the left, draw a sideways triangle. Do the same on the right side, a little sideways triangle. Now we're going to draw two more little triangles, one on the left side and one on the right side. Can you see what we drew? We drew a star.
Okay.
Draw a line going up to the tip of the star. And on the right side, do the same coming down from the star.
Mikey, this is so much fun.
I told you it'd be great.
Let's draw a zigzag line going from the left to the right. Zig, zag, zig, zag, zig, zag. If we're going too fast, here's a message from Louie.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Let's draw a line going up on the left side. And then on the right side, let's draw a line coming down. Excellent. Now it's time for our zigzag.
Okay.
Let's draw a zigzag line all the way across again. Zig, zag, zig, zag, zig, zag, zig.
Betty, can you tell what it is yet?
Not yet.
I don't think they know we're drawing a Christmas tree. Let's keep it a surprise till the end. Now we're going to repeat everything we've done before. Two lines, and then connect them together with a long zigzag line. Zig, zag, zig, zag. I think Artie's enjoying all the zigs and all the zags. Zig, zag, zig, zag, zig, zag.
Artie's really on a roll today.
It looks so good.
Now it's time to draw some legs on our Christmas tree. Two lines down on the left and two lines down on the right. Now our tree has legs. Let's do little curves at the bottom to connect the lines. Very good. Dance break. You really want a dance break? Okay, come on, let's go for a dance break.
Do you want to dance, Mikey?
mean, that's all I can say, really. Magical. 10. Wow, Artie, that was a very energetic dance break. Should we carry on with the drawing and finish the Christmas tree? Let's give our Christmas tree some arms and hands. 2 lines coming out from the right side of the tree, and let's draw 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the left side, 2 lines for an arm, and then 4 fingers on the end for a hand. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Watching Artie make art is so exciting.
I love it.
Let's give our tree some eyes. Draw a circle in the middle on the left. That's right. And then another circle besides that on the right. I can tell Artie's really enjoying doing this drawing today. Let's draw 2 little black circles inside the eyes. One in the middle on the left and one in the middle on the right. That's it. Now our tree can see us. Hello, Mr. Christmas Tree. Let's do a big smiley mouth with 2 ends and a little tongue sticking out. Now he really has some character.
Wow, this is really creative.
It really is, Mikey.
Let's add some decorations, some Christmas baubles. Just draw lots of circles within the tree, some smaller than others, some larger than others, randomly placed. That's perfect, Artie. Let's do some more. Let's do a couple, one on the left of his face and one on the right. Not too many, so it doesn't distract from his eyes and mouth. Should we do some more at the bottom? Yes, let's cover our tree with shiny pink, blue and yellow baubles. Remember to draw some of the circles larger and some of them smaller, and try and make them random so that they're not equally spread around. Looking good. Perhaps just one more? Oh yes, Artie, this is looking very festive. Finished! You've done a wonderful job on this one, Artie. It's so Christmassy.
It's time to color it in.
Fantastic job, Artie. The colouring in really completed this masterpiece. I love the green of the tree and the pink and yellow and blue baubles. I love the brown tree trunk legs and arms, and I especially love the yellow star on the top. Great job!
Great job, Artie.
Just wonderful.
Merry Christmas, little artists. Bye-bye.